Daikin's NavEase controller, with its contemporary design, is packed with features providing you with a simple, convenient means to control your indoor environment. Press the Mode Selector button to select the desired operation mode. Each push of the button will go through various modes available on your system and will be indicated on the screen. Select Cool Mode when you want to cool the room. Heat Mode for when you want to heat. Fan Mode is when you only want a nice breeze in the room. Auto Mode will automatically select either heating or cooling operation based on the room and outside temperatures at regular intervals. Or Dry Mode. In this mode, the air conditioner will automatically control the temperature and airflow rate to reduce the humidity level in the room. Once you have selected a desired mode, press the On/Off button. Press this button once and the system will start. To switch off the system, press this button again. When the unit is operating, a green light on this button will remain lit. To set the temperature while in an operating mode, use the up-down arrows to increase or decrease the temperature. To change the airflow rate while in an operating mode, press the Airflow Setting button, then select Air Volume. Now, using the up-down arrows, set the desired airflow rate ranging from low, medium, or high. When the system is operating in fan mode, the airflow rate setting is always at high. Once the desired airflow rate is selected on the controller, it may take some time until the actual change of the airflow rate is completed. The Quick Start function boosts power for a 30-minute duration to reach the desired temperature quickly. To use this function while operating in cooling, heating, or auto mode, display the main menu screen by pressing the Enter button and go down to Quick Start. Press the Enter button again and it will take you back to the basic screen. Quick Start will appear on the screen indicating that the function is now on. To switch off Quick Start, go back to the main menu screen by pressing the Enter button. Go down to Quick Start, press the Enter button again, and you will be taken back to the basic screen. Quick Start will no longer appear on the screen, indicating that the function is now off. The controller can be locked to prevent any changes to its current settings. To activate key lock whilst the screen backlight is lit, press and hold the Enter button for 4 seconds. A key icon will appear on the screen to indicate that all buttons are disabled and locked from making changes. To cancel key lock whilst the screen backlight is lit, press and hold the Enter button for 4 seconds and the key icon will disappear. This indicates that all buttons are enabled and changes to settings can be made. For more information, please consult your manual or contact our customer service line 1300 368 300.